An elderly gardener told me, "Don't buy this plant without watching this quick but very important video first." Everyone who comes to my house asks me to reveal my secret of how I keep my plants so beautiful and vibrant like this one here. I decided to reveal this secret in this video. The name of this plant, folks, is ZZ plant. Have you heard of it? If you haven't, get ready because I'm going to tell you about it now. And the third tip, folks, I'll tell you now how to make homemade fertilizer using something most people throw away. I'm sure you do too, and it's very easy, folks. The first tip is about lighting, sunlight. Be careful. This plant doesn't like direct sunlight. That doesn't mean you'll put this plant in a dark room, no. It needs to be in a well-lit environment, but not directly in the sun. Do as I do, keep it in the living room or in a covered garage, also in the bathroom, or somewhere else with light. Okay, this is very important. The second tip is about the amount of water you give it. Folks, ZZ plant is one of the best plants for those who don't have much time to care for it, for those who work a lot, study, or stay away from home for long periods. You can water it only 2 to 3 times a week. To know if you're watering it too much, check if its leaves are yellow. Give your plant a check and see if there's any yellow leaf that isn't sunburned, for example. If there is, you know the reason, right? It's because of the water. The third and final tip is about fertilization. One of the best homemade fertilizers I know, and most people, believe it or not, throw it away without realizing what they're missing. Folks, have you heard of coffee grounds? What would coffee grounds be? You know when you make your coffee and there's leftover coffee powder in the filter? That, folks, is coffee grounds. Many people end up throwing it away and don't know what they're missing. Coffee grounds, folks, are extremely rich in nitrogen. They have many nutrients that the plant needs to grow beautifully and strong like this one here. Get paper, get a pen, and jot down this awesome recipe I'm going to teach you. 1 liter of water and 2 heaping tablespoons of coffee grounds. Mix this liquid, this fertilizer, and let it sit for 3 days, so that only the nutrients your plant needs remain after fermentation. After 3 days, folks, your homemade fertilizer is ready, and oh, your plant will love it, okay? Detail, folks, no sugar, all right? Use it on your plant every 15 days, and there you go. It'll look beautiful. There's another extremely powerful fertilizer to use not only on ZZ plant, but also on orchids, on the snaky plant, on any type of plant. If you want me to tell you about it in this video, let me know and I'll bring it to you this week, okay? This is one of the best fertilizers I know. So what do you think of this tip?